Hello, this is Lisa.
And this is Chichi.
In today's video, we are going to explain the different types of clouds. Clouds form when moist, warm rising air cools and expands in the atmosphere. The water vapor in the air condenses to form tiny water droplets, which are the basis of clouds. The most common high clouds are the cirrus, which are thin, wispy clouds blown by high winds into long streamers called mare's tails. They can look like a white, feathery patch with a faint wisp of a tail at one end. The thin, sheet-like high clouds that often cover the entire sky are cirrostratus, which are so thin that the sun and moon can be clearly seen through them. The ice crystal in these clouds bend the light passing through them and will often produce a halo. Cirrocumulus clouds appear as small, rounded, white puffs that may occur individually or in long rows. When in rows, the cirrocumulus cloud has a rippling appearance that distinguishes it from the silky look of the cirrus and the sheet-like cirrostratus. Cumulonimbus is actually a cloud with vertical development. It is a thunderstorm cloud, while its dark base may be not more than 600 meters above the Earth's surface, and its top may extend upward to the tropopause over 12,000 meters higher.
From this, we can see that the clouds are classified into four kinds. The first one is cirrus. Cirrus is a thin, wispy strand which can form at any altitude between 16 and 500 feet and 45,000 feet above sea level. Stratus is a low-level cloud characterized by horizontal layering with a uniform base. Cumulus is clouds which have flat bases and often described as puffy, cotton-like, and fluffy. The last kind of cloud is the nimbus cloud, which is a cloud that produces precipitation. Precipitation reaches the ground as rain, hail, snow or sleet. Altocumulus clouds are middle clouds that are composed mostly of water droplets and are rarely more than 1 kilometer thick. They appear as grey, puffy masses, sometimes rolled out in parallel waves or bands. Usually, one part of the cloud is darker than another, which helps to separate it from the high cirrocumulus. Also, the individual puffs of the Altocumulus appear larger than those of the Cirrocumulus. The Altostratus is a grey or blue-grey cloud composed of ice crystals and water droplets. Altostratus clouds often cover the entire sky across an area that extends over many hundreds of square kilometers. The next kind of cloud is the low clouds. Stratocumulus are low, lumpy clouds that appear in rows, in patches, or as rounded masses with blue sky visible between the individual cloud elements. The next kind of low cloud is the Nimbostratus, which is a dark grey, wet-looking cloudy layer associated with more or less continuously falling rain or snow. The intensity of this precipitation is usually light or moderate. The base of the Nimbostratus cloud is normally impossible to identify clearly, and its top may be over 3 kilometers higher. Let's review. We have cirrus, cirrostratus, cirrocumulus, and also cumulonimbus. Four kinds of cloud, which are cirrus, stratus, cumulus, and nimbus. Altocumulus, Nimbostratus, Stratocumulus, and Altostratus. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something. Bye!